हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम आरती नरसिंगानी फ्रॉम सीक्वल फोर्ड नागपुर। आज मैं आपको ऑल न्यू फोर्ड एंडेवर के बारे में बताऊंगी, बट गाड़ी के बारे में बताने से पहले मेरा आपसे एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है। कोई भी कार परचेज करने के पहले इन 3 पॉइंट्स को आप डेफिनेटली कंसिडरेशन में रखें, जिसमें सबसे पहला है ब्रांड हेरिटेज। जो ब्रांड आप प्रेफर कर रहे हैं उसकी हेरिटेज क्या है, प्रोडक्ट का प्रेजेंस, परफॉर्मेंस, कैपेबिलिटी, इंजीनियरिंग, सेफ्टी एंड थर्ड है उसका आफ्टर सेल्स सर्विस। आइए बात करते हैं ब्रांड हेरिटेज की। फोर्ड इज मोर देन 113 years एक्सपीरियंस कंपनी इन ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर with a pioneer in SUV segment across the globe with a rich heritage of 50 plus UVs. Our F series are the largest selling vehicles since past 37 years. Ford is known for making rugged SUVs to ensure that no terrain is too tough. आइए देखते हैं फोर्ड एंडेवर का एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी प्रेजेंस। एक्सटीरियर में आपको क्रोम प्लेटेड बोल्ड ट्रापेजॉइडल ग्रिल, HID headlamps with LED daytime running lights, 18 inches premium alloy wheels, muscular looks, large wheel arches, segment leading dimensions के साथ length 4903 mm, width 1869 mm, height 1837 mm, wheelbase 2850 mm, overall ground clearance 225 mm, water weighting capacity 800 mm, fuel tank capacity 80 liters. Ford Endeavour is big, bold and muscular. Interiors में आपको प्रीमियम बेज एंड ब्लैक थीम इंटीरियर्स दिए हैं, जो आपको व्हीकल में लग्जरियस फील प्रोवाइड करते हैं। प्रीमियम लेदर स्टिच डैशबोर्ड, स्मार्ट 8 inches infotainment touchscreen, off-roading display, smart steering technology also known as EPAS. Now Ford Endeavour is available in 3 color options: white, black and diffuse silver. प्रेजेंस के बाद अब बात करते हैं परफॉर्मेंस की। All new Ford Endeavour is now coming with 2.0 liter EcoBlue diesel engine with 170 PS and 420 Newton meter torque, with an amazing fuel efficiency of 13.9 km per liter in 4x2 and 12.4 km per liter in 4x4. This engine is also known as Panther series engine and is perfectly matched with world's first 10-speed automatic transmission. Ford's DNA is to build vehicles that are fun to drive and are also safe. Now Ford Endeavour will make you feel in control and safe with its 7 airbags, rollover stability, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability program, traction control system and Ford My Key. परफॉर्मेंस के बाद अब बात करते हैं कैपेबिलिटी की। एंडेवर की कैपेबिलिटी आपको कॉन्फिडेंस देती है इस व्हीकल को हर टेरेन पे ड्राइव करने का। टेरेन्स लाइक सैंड, स्नो, मड, ग्रास, रॉक are not now too tough thanks to the feature terrain management system. Here is a short video explaining terrain management system.
With new Ford Endeavour terrain management system, nothing is ever ordinary. New Ford Endeavour, extraordinary every day.
Terrain management system along with true off-roading features like water weighting capacity of 800 mm, hill descent control, hill launch assist, intelligent torque on demand all-wheel drive system, off-roading display and rear differential lock. Capability के बाद अब बात करते हैं इंजीनियरिंग की। Endeavour is perfectly matched with advanced technologies like Sync 3 voice activated system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, senses technology like hands-free liftgate.
With new Ford Endeavour, hands-free liftgate, nothing is ever ordinary. New Ford Endeavour, extraordinary.
Panoramic sunroof.
With new Ford Endeavour panoramic sunroof, nothing is ever ordinary. New Ford Endeavour, extraordinary every day.
Active noise cancellation, semi-auto parallel park assist,
With new Ford Endeavour semi-automatic parallel park assist, nothing is ever ordinary. New Ford Endeavour, extraordinary every day.
Front parking sensors, global windows open and close. Ford has also launched Ford Pass application which keeps you completely connected with your car. प्रोडक्ट के बाद अब बात करते हैं आफ्टर सेल सर्विस की. You are not only customers to us, you are our family members. So being truthful and transparent, we have got Ford Service Price Promise. This allows you to calculate the service cost, parts cost and pay exactly what you see. Second is real-time service updates. You are regularly updated with the new offers in service. Ford Fast Forward service, that is 90 minutes or free. Ford Protect Roadside Assistance, which is available for you 24/7 for fulfilling your needs. We also have free pick-up drop service till the life of vehicle. We also have an interactive service section which keeps completely transparency between you and us. My vehicle is completely fulfilling all the three of criterias that we need to buy a car. So why wait? We are available online. So for booking, call on 7030766881 or you can also visit our website www.sequelford.com. Thank you.